Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. The Planning Institute of Jamaica, PBCJ, says point of sales transactions surged last year, jumping 28% to 84 million transactions valued at 1.1 trillion Jamaican dollars. That represents a 13.5% increase in the total value of transactions. When it comes to US dollar transactions, the PBCJ says there was a significant decline at point of sale terminals, with volume down by 27% to 3.1 million transactions and the value falling 32% to 590.6 million US dollars. On the other hand, US dollar transactions at ABMs increased, up 9% in volume to 1.1 million and 1.7% in value, totaling $343.3 million. American Airlines has announced plans to expand its operations in Jamaica later this year with more flights between the island and key U.S. cities. Starting December 18, the airline will double its service between Ian Fleming International Airport and Miami, offering 2 daily flights. It will also increase daily flights from Kingston's Norman Manley Airport to Miami from 3 to 4. Vice President of International and In-Flight Dining Operations, Jose Frigg, says the airline is excited to strengthen its presence in Jamaica. This summer, American Airlines is operating 15 daily flights into Jamaica from 3 U.S. cities, a 17% increase over last year. It also plans to offer 20 peak daily departures from Jamaica to 7 U.S. destinations, including Charlotte, Boston, Dallas, Fort Worth, New York, Miami, Chicago, and Philadelphia, representing a 20% growth in service. For the trading period ending July 11, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 3,969,825 units traded, representing 18.83% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans Jamaica Highway Limited with 3,635,903 units traded, representing 17.25% of market sales volume. Logistics firm Mailpack Group Limited with 2,942,333 units traded, representing 13.96% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On July 11, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $37.61 million purchased and US $36.61 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $2.31 per dollar, selling the US at $161.20 and buying the US at $158.89. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.24 per transaction, with selling at $118.18 and buying at $116.94. The British pound yielded Forex traders $2.21 in profits, with selling at $216.97 and buying at $214.76. For our credit report tip of the day. As a solopreneur, you're used to wearing all the hats: marketing, operations, sales, fulfillment, admin, and everything in between. But there comes a point when doing it all starts to stall your growth. Whether you're ready to hire your first virtual assistant, outsource your marketing, invest in inventory, or upgrade your tools, you'll need cash flow to make that leap. The good news? You may already have a powerful financial asset working for you quietly in the background, your credit score. When used strategically, your credit score can become the bridge between hustle and scalability, giving you access to the capital, resources, and breathing room required to build a business that doesn't rely solely on your time and energy. When you are building something from nothing, and you are going from financial recovery to financial resilience, as a professional woman over the age of 45, stepping away from the corporate world can feel liberating and financially daunting. Your take-home salary likely covered your lifestyle, investments, and long-term plans. And now that you've left corporate, you might be asking, what are my real financial options now that the predictable paycheck is gone? Here's the good news. This shift can open up a new phase of choice, strategy, and ownership. But it requires clarity and a willingness to access your full financial toolkit. Here's some ideas. Review your severance package or retirement payout. Create a 12-month budget based on your new income and revenue streams. And then analyze your recurring expenses and eliminate low-value items. And finally, meet with a financial coach or retirement transition specialist. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.